Myself, Vidi Vaidya. Okay, so we'll start with this building construction. Today I will give the lecture on doors and windows. Next time starting. Okay, doors and windows. So, okay, all of you know about the doors and windows, and it's a very important part. Okay, in the uh, building construction and materials. Okay, although it's very easy topic. So we'll move further. Okay, doors and windows. This is what introduction. Now, how you define the door is very simple. It is the function of any door to give the access. Okay, in each and every house. Okay, even your house have the doors. Without doors, you cannot go from one room to the another room. Okay, this is a there is a in simple way door can be defined as a it is the one type of access. Okay, one type of process to go from one room to other room. Okay, it is also called as it can be having the entry. Okay, now doors are there are many types of doors, like if you have the compound wall and if you have the gate. Okay, that is also one type of a door. It is provide the access. Okay, normally this is used for the access purpose. Okay, now in residential building, like your house, my house, okay, in residential houses, the size of door shall be in between 0.9, okay, 0.9 to 2 meters. Okay, 2 meters is very large. Normally in your house, 0.9 meter wide door is used normally. Okay, and what is the height of the door? That is actually 2.1 meter. That is called as what a lintel. All doors and windows height, okay, top level of the door and windows are the same. Okay, actually that level is called as what? Lintel level. Okay, you already studied these arches and lintels, okay, in the topic of arches and lintels. Okay, so if anyone house is very big, okay, big means if they want to ship the huge like sofa, okay, bed, they need what? The higher width of the door. Okay, in a normal case it is the width is around 0.9 meter. Okay, in some cases it can be also 1 meter also. Okay, at least 2 meter is very large. Okay, it is actually 0.9 to 2 meter, but actually for India it is what? 2.1 meter. Okay, so 2 meter is very huge. Okay, in case of 2 meter wide, they are providing some aesthetic purpose, like it is not fully openable. Okay, it is partially open, means some part is aesthetic purpose and some part is for door. Okay, so it is what the architectural aesthetic view. Okay, now this is what about the door. Okay, now we'll move further on. Okay, windows. Okay, it is, I think it is clear. It is very simple definition of door. Okay, sizes are, now remember one thing, size of door in each building, okay, it is standard one. Nobody can use the like uneven size. Okay, it is a standard, because whatever the frames are available, because door should be fitted in the frame. Whatever the frame available in the market, it have the standard size. Okay, like 0.9 0.9 multiplied by 2.1. Okay, that is the size of that door frame. Okay, so you cannot give your size. Okay, you, if you want to give the special size, so you have to order, okay, special frame, because without frame you cannot fit the doors. Okay, so it is what the assembly. So now in doors, what is the assembly part is that door panel is there and the door frame is there. There are two components. One is a door. Okay, now door can be have different material, like you can use wood, that is a teak wood. You can use ply, or you can use glass. Okay, there are a different type of material available in the market. So if I talking about the door, there are two component parts. One is the frame in which it is fitted, and one is what? Panel. Okay, but that is used for the opening purpose. it is very simple to understand. It is available in your house also. Okay, you can see your door. Okay, so you can find the frame also and the panel also. Okay, now in residential building, there are the standard sizes, whereas for the commercial, okay, commercial like hospitals, colleges, okay, they have the different size. Okay, different size in the sense their width should be greater than the residential one, their height may be higher than that one. Okay, if we're talking about the shutter, okay, any shop, every shop have the shutter. The height of that shutter is about the 3 meter. In some cases it can be 3.5 meter also. Okay, and the width is depend upon the utility of that one. It can be 2 meters, 3 meters, 4 meters, depending upon the utility. And that shutter is also the called as what, door. Okay, so we'll see one the windows. Okay, now all of you know about the window. Each and every house is having the windows. Now what is the purpose of providing the windows? Okay, what is the purpose of the providing the doors is to assess. Okay, door is used to assess. Okay, and the windows, what is the function of windows? Windows are provided for the ventilation purpose. Okay, ventilation purpose and light. Okay, that is called as a luminaires. Okay, in the subject of basic civil engineering, you already studied about the luminaires. Luminaires is what, actually nowadays the concept of the green building is involved. Okay, house every house should be as a greenhouse. Okay, green building. What is a green building? It is the building which have the less uh, utility of electricity. Okay, so now maximum utility. Please mute yourself. Okay, we will proceed. Okay. So windows are used for the ventilation purpose. Okay, because if any room doesn't have the windows, okay, in that case the light should not come there, and the air should be not there. Okay, in any houses, if you find the new houses, okay, old houses is okay, but if you see the older one like palace build windows is very large, is very huge. Why? Because for the ventilation purpose. If you compare the oldest structure like palace and your house, okay, you can always find in summer season, nowadays is a summer season, okay, you can always find the temperature inside that palace is much more lower than your houses. Okay, why? Because of the ceiling height. Okay, it is a scientific reason behind that, because whenever the heat temperature is going to increase, okay, there are two types of airs are present. One is hot air and one is what, cold air. Okay, so cold air will be come down. Okay, so that is what the basic reason behind this. Okay, but nowadays in the residential building, the window size are about the standard. Okay, now height, once again I already told you the top height of windows is 2.1 meter level. Okay, now what is the size of window? In residential building the size of window is different, for commercial it is different. Okay, for if you're talking about a residential building, size around 1.4 meter wide. Okay, 1.4 meter wide and 1.4 1.2 meter height, or it can be 1.5 meter height. Okay, normal for the residential building. In some cases residential building have the less size also, like 1 meter by 1 meter also. Okay, it depend upon the condition. But one thing is there, if you provide the larger opening, okay, so your luminaires, that is there is no need to turn on the lights during daytime, because if you provide the larger height windows, the light is, of course the light will become better than the smaller ones. Okay, but one disadvantage of providing the larger opening in the buildings, that is it reduces the stiffnesses. Actually what happen when the seismic activities are there, like earthquake happens. Okay, so these windows are normally provided at the outer sides. Okay, In the site is also there, but for the aesthetic purpose. That is what some clients or somebody does the MDF. Okay, MDF jali is there for the inner windows. Okay, like kitchen. Okay, but normally windows are provided at the peripheral of the buildings. Okay, in what happen in the seismic, whenever the seismic activities are there, if you providing actually walls, okay, peripheral walls are act as an infill. Okay, infill between the two columns. Okay, if this is the one column and this is one column, the wall is present in between this column, it act as a infill wall. Okay, whenever the seismic activity or earthquake happen, it will be like this. Okay, and if I provide the large opening size of the window in this wall, their stiffness is reduces. Okay, their stiffness will reduce, so that therefore during the seismic effect the cracks are developed and suddenly that wall is collapsed during the seismic activity. If the wall is collapsed, their infill wall effect is lost. Okay, therefore there is a chances of large damage during seismic activity for the large openings. Okay, that is what windows. Okay, it is also applicable. This advantage is also applicable for the doors also, door also. Okay, but as compared to the doors, windows are in the higher numbers, so that there is a benefit and disadvantage, both are there. But the in non-seismic zones, okay, every zone is a seismic zone, but less seismic zone you can provide the larger openings. Okay, for the ventilation purpose. Okay, so we'll move further. Okay, so we'll see the types of doors. Okay, so you can see there are 10 numbers of doors listed. Okay, there are more than 10. It is available in the market. Okay, means available in the market means any architect can develop, yourself can be developed. The all you can give the your name also. Okay, your name means other name also. Okay, so you can invent that one. So we'll see the types of door that is in available in the books. Okay, so we'll see the first one, battened and legged doors. Okay, second type, battened, legged and braced doors. Third type, frame and paneled doors. Fourth type, flush door. Okay, now this fourth type is very commonly used. Okay, normally in your house, the type of door is called as what, flush doors. Okay, fifth number is called as a louvered. Okay, louvered doors. So we'll see. I have the photographs so that you can understand very well. Sixth number is revolving doors. Okay, in malls might you have seen that revolving door. Seven number is what, swing doors. Okay, eight number sliding doors. Nine number collapsible doors. Okay, and the 10 number is rolling shutters. Okay, so I know you already seen all these type of doors. So we'll see one by one. Okay. Okay, now the first type, batten and leg door. Okay, so you can see this figure is given and in which this head, okay, I already told you this top level is 2.1. Okay, and this bottom level is called as what, the floor level. Okay, now top level is at the 2.1. Okay, now you can see this outer, okay, this top one and this outer is called as what, frame. Okay, and in between this frame you can see this one, battens. Okay, so now this type of door is normally used in earlier years. Okay, in earlier years, like in villages you can find this type of doors. Okay, you can see this is what the frame. Okay, in which there are provided hinges. One hinge is here, one hinge is there. You can provide the intermediate, okay, hinge, no problem. Now you can see these are what, vertical battens. Okay, battens may be of the different material. Okay, the normally in this type of door, the battens are used as a wooden. Okay, normally, because in older days wooden frame, wooden doors are widely used. Okay, because it is easily available. Nowadays it's very difficult to have the wooden doors. Okay, now you can say this is what, the one more batten. Okay, these battens are used for the this top ledge. Okay, is act as a batten. Okay, if you see these these battens are provided in separately. Okay, so if you provide the latch, okay, so it will be have the higher stiffness. So 1, 2, 3, there are 3. You can provide more than 3. Okay, this is what the locking system. Okay, this is what the simple figure of the batten and latch door. Okay, so we'll move second type of this batten, leg and brace doors. Okay, now earlier what word is miss? Breast. Okay, this is the additional word in the second type, that is called as what? Breast door. Okay, okay, now what is a brace? Okay, the figure is same, figure is same. Okay, there is no change, only one additional there. This is called as a, you can see this diagonal, that is called as what? Breast. Okay, if I talking about the stability of this door, that is battened leg and brace door, is higher than the previous one. Sorry, this is batten and leg door. Okay, stiffness is less. This door have the better stiffness. Okay, the rest of the things are same. Okay, so we'll move further. Now third type is called as frame and paneled door. Okay, frame and paneled door. Okay, now this is again the commonly used door in your houses. Okay, this is about common one. This is, you can see the figure of this one. This is actually frame is not shown here. Okay, this is the panel. Okay, it is what called as what? Panel. I already told you that these panels are can be having the different materials. Okay, so this whatever you are seeing, this called as a panel, it is what? The wooden. Okay, nowadays most commonly material used for the door, it is ply. Okay, it is available in the market. The thickness of the door panel is depend upon the width of the door. For the higher width door, your thickness of panel should be higher. For the lesser width, you can provide 25 mm thickness of the door panel. Okay, 25 mm thickness is the standard one. But if your opening is more than 1.5, you have to go for the higher thickness. Okay, or you can provide the two doors. Okay, so might you have seen this is not a single flush door. Okay, so that type is we'll see later on. Okay, so this is what the simple. Okay, the material can be have wooden, okay, or ply, or you can use as a glass. But glass is very expensive. Okay, so this is about the traditional door. Okay, now next we'll see 4, flush door. Okay, so this is a mostly commonly used for. What is the difference between this one? Okay, flush door and frame panel door. Okay, flush door means this door. You can see that door panel. Okay, that is having the one panel only. Okay, in the previous one you can see this frame is there. Okay, this is also door. It is called as a panel frame. Okay, it is not a door frame. Door frame is not shown here. Okay, it is not shown here. Okay, but there will be the frame also. Okay, so this you can see vertical rafter, horizontal rafter. This is what the panel frames. Okay, in which this panel is fitted. Okay, but in this type, that is what the flush door. Okay, there is no panel, there is only one panel is there, and this outer is called as what? Door frame. These are the two hinges are there. Okay, it can be having the opening, it can be doesn't have the opening. Okay, this is what the simple door. Okay, these type of doors are, this is called as a flush door. It is available in your houses. Okay, you can see. Okay, that is what the called as what? Flush door. Once again, the material of this flush door, okay, door panel, maybe, okay, maybe wooden, maybe ply. Nowadays the ply is very popular, or it can be glass. Okay, now if I'm talking about the door frame, okay, earlier in earlier years the door frame is always of the teak wood. Okay, okay, but nowadays everybody are using the concrete frame, that is what RCC frame, that is also called as what? RCC frame. Okay, for the durability purpose. Okay, there is zero maintenance. That's why everybody are using for RCC frame. Okay, this is the fourth one. Now move to further. Fifth number, that is called as what? Louvers. Okay, louvers door. Okay, now we'll understand what we mean by louver. Okay, now if you see the factory shape, you can find their louvers. Okay, what is the function of providing louvers? It is actually uh, work as a window, like means it is used to pass the airs. It is used to pass the airs. Okay, so you can see this figure in which this is one panel in which the louvers are provided. You can see this is what the louvers are provided. Okay, from which the air can be passed. Okay, from the room to the outside one. Okay, between below this one, this is what the panels. Okay, now this type of doors was used earlier. Okay, you can find this type of door in the older construction. Okay, this is what the one section is given. Okay, this is called as what? Louvers. Louvers. Okay. Now there again, if I'm talking about the material, whatever the figure you are seeing here, that is a wooden one. Okay, that is old construction. Okay, nowadays it can be modified. That is called as louver. We'll move further. Now next is a revolving door. Okay, actually this is very popular one in the malls or in the hotels. Okay, so you might have seen that type of door. Okay, now you can see this. The figure is given. Now, if I'm talking about the bottom figure, the plan is given. Okay, now these are 1, 2, 3, and 4 types of revolving doors are shown here. Okay, this is what the plan. Okay, so you can see this is what the revolving. One center point is called as what? Hinge support, about which these panels are moving. Okay, if anybody want to enter, it will be he will be pushed or she will be pushed this edge and he will be enter inside. Okay, so this is the second type of revolving door in which this you can see here, and this is the end one. Okay, in between this is what revolving, and again this is what one additional doors are provided. Okay, the same example explained here. This is the another type in which the individual doors are here and the center one is having the revolving doors. Okay, the function is same for access. Okay, so you can see this figure. We'll move further. Seven number is swing doors. Okay, swing door. There is not much more difference between the revolving doors and swing doors. Actually, these swing doors you might have seen in movies like Hindi movies. Okay, in I think about before 1990. Okay, year, like in police station. Okay, so this type of door is used in the older one. Like you can find this type of doors in the old buildings. Okay, that is called as what? Swing. In this type, you can see. Okay, this is what the pillars, two pillars in which two panels are fitted by the hinges, and it is easily openable. Okay, once can be get inside easily. Okay, so top portion and bottom portion is opened. Okay, now here there is a no lintel beams are provided. Okay, now we'll move further. Now 8 number, sliding doors. Okay, sliding doors, you might have seen the sliding doors in the malls, or you can find in the hospital building, or you can find in the hospital sorry in rooms in somebody's house also. Okay, you can see here the this is what the opening is showing, in which this is wall and this is called as what? Sliding panel. Okay, now for the sliding panel you need what? Channel. Okay, channel should be provided at the bottom one. Okay, on which the wheels are fitted. Okay, and this can be slide in this direction. Okay, in this direction, this is what the single sliding. Okay, you if you might have seen that in case of the uh, malls also. Okay, in the case of malls also. Okay, now this is what the second type you can see here. Okay, there are two sliding panels. Okay, one is left and one is right. Okay, this is the type C also. Okay, so this is what the sliding doors. It's very simple to understand. Now collapsible doors. Okay, now you might have seen this type of doors. Okay, in older flat schemes. Okay, in hospitals. Okay, or in older buildings. Okay, collapsible door. Why it is called as a collapsible? Because you can see there are two channels provided at the top and bottom one. Okay, so these are what the handles. Okay, so you can collapsible means you can folded it. Okay, one side, and this is what the second side. Okay, therefore it is called as what? Collapsible. This type of door is widely used in the lift also. Okay, you might have used that door also. Okay, in lift they are using the collapsible doors. Okay, so this is provided at the main entry where the entry is very large. Okay, in which the width is due to the width restrictions. Okay, because the width is very high, the normal door is not possible. Therefore this type of door can be used. This is called as what? Collapsible door. Normally this collapsible door is made up of structural steel, that is called as a iron. Okay, it is not it is not made by the glass or wooden. Okay, you can always find this type of door in the iron only. Okay, this is what collapsible door. Okay, now we'll move further. Now ruling shutter, this is our last type. Okay, so everybody is known about this type of door. Okay, ruling shutters. Okay, ruling shutters are provided normally in the shops, in the factories. Okay, in the sheds, where the utility of this one is where utility means there are large things are required to move inside and outside. Okay, like in any shade having the storage capacity of any food, big means grains, where the grains are stored. Okay, so that in that case this type of rolling shutters are provided. Okay, because it have the larger opening. Okay, width is very high. This type of rolling shutter are always, you can find always in the shops. Every shops will have the shutter, because shutter will have the safety. Okay, in it, and it can be also provide the larger opening. Okay, now after this okay, shutter is very simple. Now you can write your own words in exam, no problem. Okay, so just time go back. Okay, these are what about the windows. Because of the time restriction, I'm just uh, giving you the doors. Okay, the window will I cover in next time. Okay, so types, whatever the types, batten and leg doors. Okay, in which the uh, battens are provided. Okay, and ledge is provided. Okay, this what you can see here. This is what the cross bands. Okay, now the next type is what? The batten and leg and brace doors. Okay, third type what you are so that is what? The frame and panel door. Fourth type, flush door, is very common, single panel is used. Fifth type is lower doors. Okay, and this is sixth type, revolving doors. Seven is swing door. 8 type is sliding door, 9 is collapsible door, and 10th is revolving shutter. Okay, so you can write in your own language. There are other types of doors are also, like I already told you. If you have the compound wall, of course there is the gate is there, that is called as what? Gate. Okay, so that is also called as what? The door. It can be, it is used for the access purpose. Okay, so there are nowadays windows and doors having the same function. Okay, if you see the nowadays every architect wants that door and window play the same role. Okay, normally this type of doors are provided at the balconies. Okay, it act as a door and it also act as a window. Okay, so next is what window, but due to this time restriction, so I am stopping here. Okay, so we have 4 minutes left. Any questions, anybody have any questions? Anybody question, किसी को question है?